You are getting older. And you are looking for homemade anti-aging miracle. Like green juice. Right. Welcome back to Anti-Aging Green Juice, Timeless Elixir. Your gateway to unlocking the secrets of youth and vitality. Today, we're embarking on another rejuvenating journey. Creating a juice for anti-aging that not only defies the hands of time, but nourishes your body from the inside out. Are you ready to turn back the clock? Let's get started. Our lineup of ingredients today reads like a who's who of the anti-aging green juice world. Each component plays a unique role in preserving your youthful vigor and radiance. So, let's meet our superheroes. First up, the mighty blueberries. These little powerhouses are like nature's tiny treasures, bursting with antioxidants. They combat oxidative stress and have been featured in reputable journals like Age and Aging for their potential in improving cognitive function as we age. Next, the sweet and succulent pineapple. Not only does it add a delightful tropical twist to our elixir, but it's also a fantastic source of vitamin C. This vitamin is your skin's best friend, helping it maintain its elasticity and fight off those pesky fine lines. Carrots, our vibrant orange buddies, are up next. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in your body. This nutrient is crucial for healthy skin and vision. It's like a double win for your well-being. Now, let's give our anti-aging green elixir a zesty kick with lime. The vitamin C in lime juice aids in collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. It also adds a refreshing twist to our concoction. Don't forget the soothing cucumber, packed with silica, a compound that supports collagen production. Cucumber's hydrating properties will leave your skin feeling plump and radiant. Lastly, our trusty companion, water, to keep everything flowing smoothly. Proper hydration is the cornerstone of youthful skin. Experts worldwide emphasize the importance of staying well hydrated. Before you start juicing, gather all the fruits and vegetables you want to use in your juice. Make sure they are clean and fresh. For our anti-aging green juice recipe, you might gather ingredients like 2 cups blueberries, 1 pineapple, 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, 100 grams carrot, 300 milliliters of water. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, making this anti-aging green juice come to life. It's so easy. You'll wonder why you haven't been doing it every day. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly under cold running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Begin with a generous handful of fresh blueberries. The deep color is a testament to their antioxidant power. Pop them into your juicer. Follow that with some succulent pineapple chunks. The sweet, tangy flavor is going to be a treat. Add a couple of sweet carrots for that orange glow and a dose of vitamin A. Squeeze the juice of a lime for that zesty zing. Slide in some cucumber slices for that refreshing, hydrating twist. Blend it all together until you get a gorgeous, vibrant elixir that's bursting with flavor and goodness. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp. Pour it into your favorite glass and take a moment to admire the beautiful color. It's like a work of art that's also a fountain of youth. Enjoy your anti-aging green juice. There you have it, my friends. Our anti-aging green juice homemade elixir, inspired by research from Age and Aging. This isn't just any juice. It's a potion for a more youthful, energetic, and radiant you. So, incorporate this anti-aging green juice into your daily routine, and watch as your skin becomes more luminous, your mind sharper, and your energy levels soar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey toward timeless beauty and wellness. Remember, age is just a number, and with the right ingredients, like blueberries, pineapple, carrots, lime, cucumber, and the gift of hydration. We can all sip our way to a more vibrant and youthful tomorrow. Here's to a timeless you. Do you have any suggestion relating to anti-aging green juice? Please write it down in the comment below. And a thumbs up please.